Hello, it's me again, and this is a third video of this January 14, 2023 construction on Laurel. It's kind of windy out there. Right now it's about 4:50 in the afternoon, almost near nighttime. Yep. And the highs probably went down a little bit to 30 and 29. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'm going to make an aftermath video. I got a feeling we're not going to do this tonight with making an aftermath. Maybe tomorrow, if they ever go away, of these construction sites, people. Yeah, they've been doing it since about nearly 2 weeks, since January 2nd. It's been like a little long time. Yeah. Too cold to do anything. It's probably too hot to do anything. Sweat from my forehead. Yeah. Don't worry. Can't wait for spring. But we're almost near the middle of winter. We'll be out of that first leg of winter to going on to the second leg of winter on January 20th. And that van that was passed out, it's not a Basset Amulet. Basset Amulet's only for the people who lives in New York, like Queens and Brooklyn. They take these people into different facilities, like from clients to clients. I was in one of them when I used to go to the Shields every Friday, or even on the Tuesdays. Yup. Taking all the shovels? Yep. I think they're probably done for the day. Maybe. But if you ever have Apple van, never take the Apple van with the green words, because one of my friends from the group got home pretty late from that long time ago. I heard what happened. I'm glad I never take Apple, but Bassett was the best van company in New York. Because Bassett gets you no way around, and they have to use a navigating system to go from different places. Yeah. And right now, here's a little update about like New York. Lately, I found out we have information about they have this thing called toll invasions. Like people cannot pay the tolls. They're gonna get slapped with a fine, and they're gonna toll their car away when they don't pay up the tolls. You know that's pretty illegal to do that. The old days used to have tolls like when you go through the toll, but nowadays you had to go through the toll without a toll. Entering into the borough without paying a toll, but they pay your toll later on. They have your license plates and everything, and that's why everybody takes trains to save their monies. But it's going to cost more time. Hate that. My body feels shaky with the cold breeze. Yeah. Nothing happening at the 719 house. Nothing happening at the 710, 712 house. The only thing we have happening is at the construction area. They've been going on it for about 2 years. Chopping down trees and everything. Let's hope they won't chop any more trees. And let's hope they fix the sidewalk before they put a new building. Maybe one-story building, like a simple garage. Yeah. Maybe the gold cart race will be in May. If there's going to be a gold cart race. We had that last year, the year before, but in 2020 we didn't have that because of the COVID-19. Yep, it's pretty bad if you get stuck at home during the pandemic with COVID-19 restriction. I never forgot about that. Couldn't go any stores, couldn't go anywhere. I couldn't even go out to eat anyways. When I had to stay home a lot. And I went for walks during of that. think they're packing a little truck in. This is why I'm videotaping it. It's going to be for a family album, and I love this. Boy, it's so cold like Canada. Feels like I'm watching a movie with Jeanette MacDonald, Nelson Eddy, and Rose Marie singing the Indian Love Call. But don't ever get the 1954 remake with Howard Keel and Britt and Bert Lahr and Marjorie Main. It's not a great movie, the remake. The original was better. But if you had to pick your favorite Nelson and Jeanette movie, probably we go for Maytime or Dorothy Marietta. I love all the Nelson and Jeanette movies since I was 29 and 30 years old. Looking at the camera, you'll see this in New York with this weather. Thinking they're moving the sign back over there. I think they're probably leaving. Yep. They probably been here since like 2 o'clock while we're gone. There was no construction. Had to work on a Saturday. Probably gonna move the truck over there. Let me see this, folks. A little closer, folks. It's so cold like Alaska Utopia, the old Hope and Crosby Road movie. God, fucking cold out there. Excuse me with my swearing. Just I hate the cold weather. I prefer the hot weather, that's all. So cold. I think they're packing it in. Maybe you know I'm going to show you like an aftermath video of the construction. I think I'm going to put the bulldozer in there. The junior looking size one. Going to Hamburg is really fun. I've been going there for 3 years when we first moved in here. So it's going to be the first 4 years by November of this year, 2023. My first 3 years with a video camera for like the YouTubing. Very soon. Okay. Here it is, folks. Very cold. Gone with the wind out there. There's a S cookie ride. Yeah, that's a taxi or something. I don't know. It's not Uber. Uber's cost some more money in New York. I don't know if we get Uber here. We don't get any cab service around this part of Pennsylvania. I think they closed that during COVID. Packing it in. Not walking over there till tomorrow. What's up? I like bowling. Everything looks so peace and quiet. Looks like they're getting rid of the thing until the next time. Maybe they'll be coming there maybe tomorrow. I don't know about like Monday, but Tuesday I think they will. And we'll be if they come, we'll be there waiting. And look at this, putting the truck in there. Toll trucks. Sorry the way I'm using the camera, just my hands are too cold. think they're leaving. I think they're pulling away. Almost pulling away. I gotta wait for this person to just to get off. Maybe we got like a little time. Maybe I'll give you like a little aftermath as soon as this truck leaves. I don't want to do it in front of them, that's why. To get myself busted. Now the truck is pulling away. Yep. Bye-bye, truck. Have a good evening. Maybe he's making a U-turn. Well, it's like it's gonna pass them. And here they are now. Here comes the truck. Bye-bye, truck. Now let's give you some time to look around for what they did. This is like a little aftermath time. Man, it's freezing out there. Probably now it's about 5 o'clock or something. Those are my neighbors' houses over there. I think the guy with the black beard and wears shorts, he lives over there. I don't know why he's wearing shorts around the area in January in the winter. You know it's very cold. This ain't Switzerland. This ain't Austrian. I'll show you for what they did. They tear it down like freaking termites. Let's hope they don't tear down anymore the damn trees. I love these damn trees. This is the rules of nature. We gotta wait for this car. And think we're gonna go right over there for what they did. I didn't expect it to be there today because they don't come if it's the coldest days. And what they did, they put some more craps over there. They're tearing down this shit. Let's hope they're not gonna tear down no trees. They tear down some baby trees. And what they did, it's man, my hands is freezing. And I forgot to tell you, there was a fire trucks around here yesterday. There were some fire trucks came around here yesterday when everything was on fire. I remember that. I didn't see any smoke or fire. It's happened around by 6 something at night. Took like 2 hours to get the hell out of here. Yep. When my mother was taking a nap and I was taking a bath, that's when this thing happened. So there you have it, folks. That's your aftermath video. As it considered to be a little bonus. Yeah. Time to go back inside. It's getting kind of cold. We'll keep doing these videos till one of them goes away. Yeah, right now it's about heading towards like 5:10. Yeah. My mother's about to get ready to go take a nap. My hands is freezing. Can't wait for the crap to be warming up a little bit tomorrow, like upper 30s and low 40s. And it's going to be like upper 20s tomorrow night. I don't know how I can live through this shit. Sorry with the language. So I hope you enjoyed this third video for January 14, 2023. Well, see you again next time when I give you more updates about the construction on Laurel Boulevard. Please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of those other videos that I made during of these past weeks, past days. You guys take care, folks, and see you next time for being in the other future videos. Good night, everybody.